proceed to the next question. We have 13 base m plus 24 base m equals 41 base what? Base m. We are told to what? To find the value of m. This m now happens to be the base, which is unknown. So let's go. And we have 13m, which is this. Then we have 1 times m raised to power 1 plus 3 times m raised to power 0. Then m raised to power 1 is m multiplied by 1. We have what? We have m. This becomes what? M plus m raised to power 0 is 0 times 3. This becomes m plus 3. Next one is what? 24 base what? Base m. That will be 2 times m raised to power 1 plus 4 times m raised to power of 0. Then we have what? This becomes what? 2n plus 4. And the last, which is this, which is 41 base m. That will be 4 times m raised to power of 1 plus 1 times m raised to power of 0. And this is what? 4n plus 1. Alright. So let's equate the 3. Then this becomes, then we have it as what? This is m plus 3 plus 2m plus 4 equals 4m plus 1. Okay, so let's go. M plus n. That gives us what? That gives us 3m plus 2m. That is what? That is 3m. Then plus 3 plus 4. That is what? That is 7. Equals what? 4m plus 1. Alright, let's proceed. Then we have it as what? Collect like m. Then we have 3m minus 4m equals 1 minus 7. 3m minus 4m. That is what? Minus m. 1 minus 7 is what? Minus 6. Then we can divide both sides by what? Minus 1. Then n divided by 1, we have what? M equals what? 6 divided by 1, we have 6. Therefore, the value of m is what? The value of m is 6. So that means the question here is in what? Are in what? All the questions there are in base 6. Alright, let's proceed to the next question. If 3214 is divided by 234. Okay, sorry, if 321 base 4 is divided by 23 base 4 and leaves a remainder, that is, our answer will be what? Something remainder. So that means we are not having a straightforward answer. It has a what? It has a remainder. Then what is the what? What's the value of what? What's the value of that remainder? We are told when 321 base 4 is divided by 23 base 4, when it gives our answer, we still have a remainder. So we are told to look for the value of what? Look for the value of the remainder. So let's go. Then we are converted to taking it over to base 10. Then we have 3 times 4 power 2, 2 times 4 power 1 plus 1 times 4 raised to power of 0. Then 1 4 raised to power 2, that is 16. 16 times 3, that is 48. Now 2 times 4, that is what? That is 8. That is, this is 4 raised to power, this, that is 1. Then we have what? 1. Then we have 48 plus 9. That gives us 57. 48 plus 9 gives us 57. Then let's go with this also. 23. That will be what? 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 plus 4 0. This should be what? 8 plus 3. Then we have what? We have 11. Alright. So this is 57. This is what? 11. Then let's divide this now. Alright, 57 divided by 11. That what? That will be 5. Then we are left with what? That will be 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 5. That is what? That is 5. 11 multiplied by that is 55. 57 minus 5. That will be what? Remainder 2. So therefore, the R we are told to ask, therefore, the R is what? R is 2. Okay, moving over. The sum of 4 numbers. The sum of 4 numbers is what? Is 1, 2, 1, 4 base 5. What is the average expressed in base 5? The sum of 4 numbers is what? Is 1, 2, 1, 4 base 5. That is, when 4 numbers were added, we have an answer as what? As this. So we are now told, what is the average expressed in what? Expressed in base 5. Alright, so let's go. So the first thing we convert this number straightforward. Then we have 1 times 5 raised to the power 3, 2 times 5 raised to the power 2, 1 times 5 raised to the power 1, plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0. Alright, 5 raised to the power 3, that is 125. That is 5 times 5, 25. 25 multiplied by 5, that is 125. Plus 5 raised to the power 2, that is what? That is 25. 25 multiplied by 2, that is 50. Plus 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, multiplied by 1, we have 5. Then 5 raised to the power 0 is 1, multiplied by 4, then we have this. Then when we have 125 plus 50, that gives us 175. 175 plus 9, that gives us what? That gives us 184. So this is now, converted this now, we have 184 base 10. We are now said, they said the sum of 4 numbers. That is, that will be 184 divided by what? Divided by 10. 184 divided by what? Divided by 10. So 184 divided by 10 gives us what? Gives us 18 whole number. Sorry. Yes, 18 whole number. That is what? That is 4 over what? Over 10. In decimal points, you might have it as in fraction, that is 92 over what? Over, add this to in fraction, 92 over 5. Then in decimal points, then you have it as what? Or 18.4. But in a normal day, if I'm to divide this now, in a normal base 10 format, I'm supposed to have this. That will be what? 10 in what? 10 in 184. That will be 18. 18 remainder what? Remainder 4. Are you with me? Then let's do it again. 10 in 18. 10 in 18 will be what? 1 remainder 10. No, 10 in 18, sorry. 1 remainder 8. And when we have 10 in 1, that will be 0 remainder 1. Then I have what? I have 184. It's 10. So, can you see now? When I converted this back, I'm still having this. I'm having my 1214 base 5. The same thing, I'm still having what? 184 what? 184 base 10. So when I say what is the average expressed in base 5? That is, that is after I've gotten 184, I'm to divide it with what? With 5. So let's go. 184 divided by 5. That is what? That is 36. 36 remainder what? Remainder 4. 5 in 36, that is 7. 7 remainder what? 7 remainder 1. And 5 again in 7, that will be what? 1 remainder 2. And we have 5 here, that will be what? 0 remainder 1. So the average So the average expressed in base 5 supposed to convert to what? Convert to base 5. This is 46 base 10. So I will now convert this to base 5 for us. Then you have 46 divided by 5. So that will be what? That will be 9. 9 times 5 is 45. That will be what? Remainder 1. And 5 in 9, that will be what? 1 remainder 4. And when we have 5 in 1, that will be what? 0 remainder 1. So the average expressed in base 5 will be what? Will be 141 base 5. Alright, we stop here for this section. At the next section, I will treat more questions on number base. Thank you.